Our letter this week is letter Q, and Q makes the sound qua, qua, qua. And when you form capital Q is a quarter to spend. Add a line at the bottom when you're at the end. And then lowercase q is a queen's fancy pearl. Don't forget to give her hair a special curl. So that's how you form capital and lowercase q. Homework options, remember to pick an activity for capital Q and an activity for lowercase q, or an activity that they really like, and then send it to Me Through Dojo. Our activities this week are Q-tip painting. So you can have them make just a bunch of capital Q's or a bunch of lowercase q's using paint and Q-tips, forming letter Q with Play-Doh, and cereal Q's. And then our last option is always our handwriting page.